Alright guys, I'm gonna go through how to make a WordPress post from the start. So if you go to ghana.uoregon.edu/wp-admin, you'll come to this screen here. And what you want to do is you want to enter the username that I will send out to you. And the password should just be SOJC Ghana. And that should get you into the dashboard. Now, the dashboard area is kind of where you control everything from. And so if you want to make a new post, what you want to do is you want to go over here to Posts and click that and hit Add New. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to create a place for you to either write a blog entry, to post something that you've written for a newspaper or for your PR firm or what have you, or to also post videos or pictures. So choose a title. I'm just going to do test because we're just going through how to do this. And I have some filler text that I stole off the internet, so we're just going to put this in here for now. Now, this is the simplest way to do this. If you just want to do text and nothing else, I mean, this is basically all you need to know. A couple other things that you want to be aware of is that once you've created your post, you want to make sure that you choose the category that you want it to be in, and you can see that over here. So let's just say this is a blog entry. So if this is a blog entry, you want to click blog because this is going to put it into the right category, so that when people go and look for your stuff, they'll find the blogs in the blogs section and the photos in the photos section. Let's say you're doing a multimedia piece, you would want to click both multimedia and either photo or video. So let's just say this is a blog post. So we'll go ahead and click blog. And let's say we have a picture to go along with this. Well, what we can do is you hit this button right here, and it will bring up this add image window. What you want to do is you want to select the file from wherever you have your picture. I've got some ones from the pre-trip party that I'm just going to go ahead and use. So we'll choose this one, and it will upload. And what you can do over here is you can write a title of the picture, and you can write the caption for the picture. So I'm going to go ahead and just take this and I'm going to go ahead and use that as the caption. So I'm going to put that in there, and then I'm going to choose full size and center for where I want that picture to be. But another thing that you should really do is once you use a picture, you should also set a featured image, because that will allow people to see this on other parts of the web page, like the home page and stuff like that. So you can go ahead and insert that into the post, and it will put it up here at the top, and there's the caption right below there. Now we can go ahead and we can preview this, or really what you have to do if you want to preview it is you have to save it as a draft first. So you can go ahead and save that as a draft, and then you can look at the post, and right now we see that, and there's our title, here's our picture, here's our caption. And if we go to the blog, it did not pull that in there. And it did that because we haven't actually published it. So let's go ahead and just publish it for now, because this is just a test. So now if we go here and we refresh this, we should see that it comes up like this, and it's the big block of text. And so we can do a couple things to limit that, and we can also make it so that we have a picture show up on this blog page. And so what we're going to do is, if you come down here and you click for, like, right at the beginning of your text, and you go back to that picture button, and go into the gallery and show that picture again, you can say insert the thumbnail. Now, one thing that you have to be aware of when you're doing this step is you want to delete both your caption and your title, and then go ahead and say insert into post, and we'll bring up that guy right there, and you can make him go to the left so that it's not so awkward, and the text will wrap around there, and just hit update. And then when you come out here, it will show that little picture right on the main blog page so people can see what they're about to view. And also, if you don't want them to see such a big chunky text, what you can do is you can click this button right here and place that somewhere below the picture, and when you do that, it's going to break it up so that when you go back to that blog, just the main blog page, it's going to cut it up, and so you can have multiple posts on one page, and you don't have to clutter up the blog page with, a big block of text. And so once you're there, you just hit the publish button or the update button, and it will show up here. And if you set your featured image, it will also show up on the home page down here, so that people can get right to your blog right from the home page. And that's about it for going ahead and making a post. So I know we all are leaving in the next couple of days, so if you want to start posting as soon as possible, feel free. Looking forward to seeing all of you guys in Ghana.